All right, just checking the connection. Okay, I'll make a start just to keep everything to time. Hi, and welcome to today's video. We're talking about natural osteoarthritic knee pain relief. Now, you may or may not know that there's been a recent study that has been published suggesting that osteoarthritic knee pain symptoms have been reversed with an 8-week change in diet. So the team at Zoe discussed this in their podcast, and it got me wanting to share that information with you and to share their cookbook that they've got, which is very good. Now, I'm not a dietitian and I don't give out meal plans, but I do really like pointing people in the right direction towards science-based resources. So if you're looking for clear, practical advice on eating for better health, this cookbook is a really fantastic place to start. Now, if you haven't heard of Zoe, they're a UK-based company doing specialised treatment in personalised nutrition. They're running the largest ongoing nutrition study in the world, and they're analysing how different foods affect different people. So they do offer personalised health insights for people that sign up to their program, but they also offer really good general advice on their podcast. And I really like their approach that it's backed by science. My name's Claire, and as a physio over the years, treating people with arthritis, they want to know what's causing their knee pain and tend to focus just on the knee joint itself. So that's really the downfall of traditional treatment. It does get people focusing on, for example, cartilage issues without really considering the whole body picture, including how nutrition might influence that inflammation you see with arthritis. So that's why I really wanted to recommend this cookbook, the Food for Life. So to be clear, it is not marketed for osteoarthritis sufferers. It's just a simple, really good cookbook with really nice plant-based recipes, and it does include many anti-inflammatory foods. So I have tried many of the recipes myself. The black bean chili and the Thai green curry are a favourite. The kids that I know in my life, 2 years old, 13-year-olds, they will happily eat the food in this cookbook and they will go back for seconds and thirds, which I think is amazing considering it is vegetable based. So if you are someone that wants to eat well and you're just feeling a little bit lost with all the mixed messages about food, I definitely suggest this cookbook, giving you that practical science-based starting point. So, what's next for you? If you're interested in exploring more dietary approaches, check out the cookbook. I'll put the link in the description below. You can download my free guide on understanding your pain triggers. If you can understand where your pain is coming from, all the different areas, it gives you the suggestion as to what you can do to help improve those pain triggers. If you're looking for a deeper understanding into knee osteoarthritis, you can check out my latest workshop. So that just dives a little bit deeper into the arthritis and what you can do. The link will be in the description below. I just need to repeat here, as a physio, I'm not a dietitian. Please go and see a dietitian for advice, especially if you've got lots of health conditions that you are managing. My recommendation for this cookbook just comes from personal enjoyment. I do think it's really good. So drop a comment below if you have any questions about holistic approaches to managing your osteoarthritis, and I'll do my best to point you in the right direction. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.